Oh, modern life. You live in a world where you work a lot and your stress is high. Don't deny it. We know how it is. Often sleeping less and eating the first thing you see seem like good ideas, but they're not. This lifestyle steals energy from your body and leaves it out of balance because it cannot eliminate dangerous substances, and it accumulates toxins, fats, heavy metals, corrosive acids, nicotine, etc. And what's the problem? That you feel sleepy, ill-tempered, and impatient. It's almost like you are a zombie, and if you continue like this, you might get sick. Toxic, isn't it? This lifestyle fills your body with acids, and if you overdo it and do not have enough alkalizing agents to compensate, your body's pH then becomes unbalanced, and that is why you feel unwell and tired. Careful, you might collapse. But don't worry, we have the solution. Introducing the new Alpha Balance from FuXion. Yes, this is it. It doesn't look great, but its flavor is incredible, and the results are even better. Really amazing. Besides, what matters is what's inside, right? And after you learn everything that's in it, you are going to think it's the most delicious thing in the world. It contains spinach, alfalfa, algae, spirulina, chlorella, green apple, lemon, ginger, wheatgrass, vitamins B, C, E, magnesium, and zinc. That's an amazing list of ingredients. Let me say that again. Spinach, alfalfa, algae, spirulina, chlorella, green apple, lemon, ginger, wheatgrass, vitamins B, C, E, magnesium, and zinc. And if that isn't good enough, the new Alpha Balance is also part of FuXion's Clean Label line, a worldwide trend that guarantees products with 100% natural ingredients, vitamins extracted from fruits, minerals in organic molecules, and easy-to-understand labeling. You're gonna love it. We just know it. This cleanses your body and helps to eliminate the dangerous substances and toxins which accumulated in your organs and blood. This way, you will balance your pH and get your energy back for everything to work perfectly. And with a balanced, clean, and detoxified body, you will live a healthy life and will enjoy everything you do. Great, right? If the theory sounds good, imagine how you'll feel after you try it. What are you waiting for? New Alpha Balance from FuXion. FuXion. We improve your life.